We'll guide you through how to use your iPhone as a webcam in OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient as perhaps you don't have a webcam or maybe it's just low quality, but let's go and use our iPhone. To get started, we need to go and open a web browser as we need to get an app. What you need to do is go and type in an app called DroidCam, like so, and come to droidcam.app. Scroll down the web page like so until you see the section Get the PC Client. Go to the right and you can press OBS plugin. Scroll down until you go and get to this section and you can go and select Windows and press the download button. Open up your file explorer and go to your downloads and go and find the DroidCam OBS setup and run it. Read this through and if you agree to it, you press I agree, press next, and we can press install. Now you can go and press finish and you want to come back to OBS, go to the top. Now come onto your iPhone. You need to go and open up the App Store and you want to go and search for the DroidCam app. So press search in the bottom right and then we can go and download it to the right. Go and press open to the right like so. And then what we can do is go and press continue and you can press OK. It will ask you to access the camera, press allow is of course what we needed, and the microphone. Go through the other permissions. What's super key as well is you're using the same Wi-Fi network. Now on your computer, right click on sources and press add, go and find DroidCam OBS and press OK. Press refresh device list and go and see if it then goes and appears in the drop down list. If it doesn't, come down to Wi-Fi IP and type in what it says on your phone. Make sure the port adds up, you've got these other options and then go and press activate. We're now successfully connected. In the bottom left of DroidCam on your phone, you'll see the flip button and you can then go and choose your front camera or you could use your back. You can then go and press OK and you can then go and resize it in OBS as you can see by using the corner points and you can put it where you want to.